So it was a warm day overall with a little bit more humidity in the air, and that's thanks in part to these southerly winds. They were breezy at times there today. As we take a broader perspective, what we do find off to our west is a cold front. Now, this is a weak cold front, and it's not the big one that I'm tracking, but it is going to be slowly working its way our direction. Slowly is the key word, and it eventually kind of stalls out overnight. Tonight makes a little bit more progress our direction tomorrow. A light batch of rain associated with that, largely going to fizzle out into the overnight hours, but there very well could be a couple of spotty showers moving our direction. Now, we're going to wake up mostly dry out there, partly cloudy skies, 6 a.m. in the morning. With time, one or two of those pesky showers may overcome some of the drier air out there. By noontime, maybe a spotty sprinkle. You'll see here, Futurecast really favors northwest Arkansas for that chance. It's only about 20%. And if you do get a little bit of rain, it's likely going to be pretty light in nature. So overall, not necessarily a big deal. This is 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, and it still looks like there's a chance of a really spotty shower out there. But the big weather story this week is the unseasonably warm temperatures. We're largely going to be in the mid to upper 80s in northwest Arkansas. Here comes some changes. How about that? We're going to have to hit close to 90 before those changes make their way into the river valley. By Sunday, we're going to be ending the week, about a week from now, rather, in the 70s. That's some positive signs we've not seen in quite some time. I'm fast forwarding Futurecast all the way to this upcoming Friday. There's going to be a front kind of in the same area that first one is at right now. It'll slowly also be working its way our direction. Looks like there could be a couple of spotty showers in the area come Friday evening. I'm not going to say football Friday night is going to be too impacted, but let's stay focused and stay on top of that forecast. There's probably going to be a change or two between now and then, right? 7 a.m. Saturday morning, a spotty shower or thunderstorm perhaps around the area. Well, it looks like, according to the latest data, again, it's going to change a little bit between now and then. The better rain chances really start to build into the area the second half of our Saturday. There could be some strong thunderstorms embedded with that system there as well. Of course, you well know we do have a secondary fall severe weather season around these parts, and so we'll have to watch some of those storms pretty closely. It's going to be a mostly dry week. There's tomorrow's 20% chance of rain. Warm temperatures out there. Overnight lows only in the upper 50s, low 60s in northwest Arkansas. By Saturday, we've got a 40% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some of those moving out of the area a little bit slower, so we'll keep a 20% chance on Sunday. Those temperatures, though, starting to come down, much more seasonable for this time of the year. Even then, we're still actually technically a little bit above average, but a far cry from the upper 80s, low 90s we're going to be dealing with for the next couple of days. In the River Valley, yep, there are those upper 80s nearing the 90-degree mark. You know somebody out there is going to overperform and hit 90 degrees, if not once, maybe even 2 or 3 times this week. But by the weekend, there comes that front, 40% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms on Saturday. I will tell you this, if the model trends continue showing what they've shown today, we'll probably end up increasing Saturday's chance of rain. Stay tuned. We'll keep you posted.